Hey, math friends, welcome back. We are ready to start our next lesson. If you are ready, let's go. Here we go. Okay, let's see, where am I at here? Oh, wait, I want to do this one. Boom, here we go. Okay, so today we are on lesson 16. I can relate counting on to making 10 and taking from 10. Okay, so we know how to make 10. We know how to take from 10. This is stuff we did a long time ago. Before Christmas, we got this, we can do this. We're just looking at it a different way, okay? So let's get started, and I'm gonna slide my slides because we passing all this bloop, 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 until we get to right. Man, that's a lot of slides. Here, we're gonna go right here because it is time for us to become, dun, 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 dun. Oh, there we go, I can see now. Number detectives. We are math detectives. Here we go. What does a good math detective always do? They read the problem because we need to know what we're doing, right? Okay, there were 16 coats on the rack. 9 students took their coats to go outside. How many coats were still on the rack? I think we could do a read, draw, write. We just read. So I'm going to do read, draw, write. We just read it. Now let's draw it out. There were 16 coats on the rack. So this time, let's make 16 circles. Okay, let's do circles. And I'm going to do it in a column, in a 5-group column. Ready? So I'm going to make 16. So I need, how many 10s? 1 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I know that's 10. So I can put a line through it. And then I have 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so we start out with 16 coats on the rack. 9 students took their coats outside. What does it mean to take? What does that tell me I need to do? I took something, I'm subtracting, I'm taking it away. So 9 kids took their coats. What do you do over here? Oops. I need to take out 9. So since I know this is 10, I'm going to mark out 9 of those. And I know that 10 minus 1 is 9. So I have 6 here and 1 here. What do I have left? 6, 7. I have 7 left. So how many coats were still on the rack? 7 coats were still on the rack. Now, let's double check. Did we do everything we were supposed to do? We read the problem. We already checked that off. Did we draw the problem out? Yeah, remember I did. Man, I keep making it go away. I drew my problem out. It's a 5-group column. Then I wrote it. I wrote not only just the statement, but I also wrote a number sentence. We can check that off. Did we solve the problem? Did we solve how many coats were still on the rack? Yeah, we knew that there are 7 coats still on the rack. So number detectives, you have solved another case. Give yourselves a pat on the back or a round of applause or a wow. All right, go ahead and erase your boards and let's get ready for our video. Today we are working with Miss Kaylin. So make sure your board is nice and clean and ready to work with Miss Kaylin. Now, she's going to tell you need some 10 sticks, or linking cubes. We don't have linking cubes. We're going to draw quick 10s and 1s, okay? So make sure you have something with and that you're ready to go. I'm going to get us ready. Okay, friends, I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go? Let's go. Make sure my volume's up all the way.
Welcome to class, my marvelous mathematicians. It's Miss Kaylin here, ready to guide you through another lesson. Today, we will be adding 1s and 1s or 10s and 10s. For today's lesson, you will need 4 10 sticks. Pause the video now to collect your materials. When you're ready, press play and we'll get started.
Okay, remember, I already said we are not using 10 sticks unless you have them. use them, that's fine. But we're going to draw out our tens and ones, okay? Quick tens and ones. We're going to draw them out. Okay, here we go.
Welcome back. Let's get started. Today, we're going to start with a partner activity.
A partner?
A partner? Where? There he is. Hi, Kevin. My amazing Kevin. Can you use your cubes to show how you would solve 16 plus 2? And you, my amazing student, I want you to use your cube to show how you would solve 16 plus 20. Pause the video now and show how you would solve 16 plus 20. And Kevin will do his problem too.
Okay, so we are doing 16 plus 20. So let's write that on our boards. 16 plus 20. How can I solve this? I don't have linking cubes, so I need to draw it out. When in doubt, draw it out. Okay, so let's draw 16 out first. I have how many 10s in 16? I have 1 10, so I'm going to draw 1 10. How many ones do I have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now let's come over here. How many 10s do I have? 2 10s. 1, 2. Do I have any ones? So do I need to draw any ones? Can I solve this? Yeah. How many 10s do I have? I have 3 10s and 6 1s. So if I have 3 10s and 6 1s, my number is 36. You think we're right? I think we're right. Let's check.
When you're ready, press play.
We already paused it.
Welcome back. I know you two worked super hard. Your cubes look like this. 1 10, 6 1s for 16, and 2 10 sticks to show 20 more. Let's compare your work with your partner. Hey, Kevin, can I grab your cubes so we can compare? Thank you. Let's compare ours with Kevin's cubes. Mathematician, take a look at both sets of cubes. How are they similar and how are they different? Well, I see you both started with the number 16 and you both added 2 more things. You added 2 more 10s and Kevin added 2 1s. Did you notice those things?
I noticed.
Go ahead and put your cubes to the side and grab your whiteboard. Let's make quick 10 drawings to show both problems.
So we've already done a quick 10 drawing.
Start by drawing a line down the middle of your board.
Follow what she does.
We are going to start on the left side of our board. Record with me. Write 6 plus 2 at the top, but leave room for your drawing and your answer. Perfect. Now, on the other side, we're going to write 16 plus 20. Good job. Now let's start with our drawing for the first problem. 16 plus 2. 16 with me. 1 10,
6 1s,
11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Leave some space. 16. That's a great quick 10 drawing. Let's add the 2 1s. Should we add to the 1s or to the 10s? Add to your drawing now.
We want to draw to our 1s.
Mathematician, did I add 2 1s?
She put it on the wrong
I did
side.
add 2 1s because you can add to the 10s or you can add to the 1s. We can do 10 plus 2 equals 12 and 12 plus 6 equals 18. But I think that there's an easier way to do this. There's gotta be. Let me peek at Kevin's work and see what he did. Oh, it looks just like his cubes. Kevin added his 2 1s to the 6 1s. Let me fix my drawing. That makes so much sense. Adding the ones with the ones. I like that. If you didn't add your ones with your ones, go ahead and change your drawing now so it matches mine. 6 ones and 2 ones is
8 ones.
8 ones. Go ahead and label it with me. And how many 10s do we have?
We only have 1 10.
That's right, 1 10. Let's label it. 1 10, 8 ones is what number, mathematicians?
18.
Yes, it's 18. We got 18. We added 16 plus 2 and got 18 by adding in a new way. We added by using like units. Now put your marker down and watch this. Why did I break 16 into 10 and 6? Well, when we added, did we add the 2 to all 16 at the same time? Or did we add to the 6 first?
We added to the 6 first.
Yes, we added 2 to the 6 first so we could add all the ones together. Then we added 10 more. It's so smart to break our numbers into units and then add all the like units together. You can add the ones and ones and the 10s and 10s. We can add 6 ones plus 2 ones. And we get
8.
8 ones. Then we can add the 10 left over plus the 8 we just found. And we know 10 plus 8 is 18. We got 18. Ooh, ooh. Now let's look at the number sentence to solve. What's different this time?
Instead of 2 ones, we're doing
Well,
2 10s.
we're still adding to 16. So let's go ahead and draw 16 quick tens. Did you draw your 16 quick tens?
We did.
Great. Now we're adding 2 of something again. But this time, mathematician, we're adding 2
10s.
10s. We're adding 10s. In our drawing, should we add to the 10s or the 1s?
Should add to the 10s. So I'm going to skip
I
one over
remember
because I'm
from
too
Kevin's help.
close.
He added his 1s with his 1s. Let's add our 10s to the 10s. How many 10s are we adding?
We're adding 2
Oh, that's right.
10s.
2 10s. Let's draw. Great. How many 10s do we have now?
We have 3
Well,
10s.
2 10s and 1 more 10. That's 3 10s. Let's label it. And how many 1s do we have?
Still have 6.
We didn't add any to the 1s, so we still have 6 1s. Nice. 3 10s, 6 1s is
36.
oh yeah, 36. Now put your marker down and watch this. This time, when I broke apart 16, I decomposed it to get the 10. Now I can add my 10s and my 10s. 10 plus 20 is 30. 30 plus 6 is
36.
36. It's so easy to see what we did in our cubes in our drawing right here in our number sentence. When we have an addition problem, we ask ourselves, should we add to the 1s or add to the 10s? When you add 1s and 1s and 10s and 10s, it can make the problem easier. Oh, can you feel it? Can you feel your brain growing? We have new knowledge. Let's use it and do one more. Erase your board and pick up your marker. This time, Kevin will solve 18 plus 20. You are going to solve 18 plus 2.
I'm going to
Use your
divide
cubes
ours
or your
up.
quick 10 drawing to solve. Pause the video
18
now.
plus
Solve your problem. 18 plus 2.
Okay, so let's do 18 plus 2. I'm going to go ahead and divide our board just in case. All right, so 18. How many 10s and 1s do I need? I need 1 10. Yeah. And how many ones? 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I need to add 2 more. Is this 2 10s or 2 1s? It's 2 1s. So do I need to add it to my 10s or my 1s? I'm going to add it to my 1s. So 1, 2. Now, we know that 8 plus 2 is 10. So we're going to make a line through it. So 18 plus 2 is 20. Now, if you want to break it down, we can break it down too. We'll see how Miss Kaylin does it. She breaks it down to 10 and 8. Then we add 8 plus 2 equals 10. And then 10 plus 10 equals 20. All right, let's go back to Miss Kaylin and see if we're right.
When you're ready, press play.
We're ready. We're smart.
Okay, scholars, show me your 18 cubes. Tell me what to do.
We added
Remember,
2
we need to
more
ask
ones.
ourselves, should we add to the 10s or the 1s? Mathematician, point to it. Should we add to the 10s or 1s? I'm going to add my 2 1s to the 8 1s. We made a 10.
Look at that.
This time when we added to the 1s, we made another 10. 1 10 and 1 10 makes
2 10s.
2 10s. And mathematicians, what is the value of 2 10s?
The value of 2 10s is 20.
20. Oh yeah. Now, on your whiteboard, I want you to complete this last number sentence on your own. Write 18 plus 2 at the top and show me how you broke 18 into 10 and 8.
Look at that. We've already done that.
When you're done, press play so you
If
can
you
check your work.
haven't done that,
Pause
go ahead
now
and
to complete
pause
your number
and
sentence
get it
and show your
completed.
number line.
But we've already done it. We broke 18 into 10 and 8. Added our 8 and 2. Got 10 and
Does
then 10
your
and 10.
number sentence look like this? This number sentence shows us how 18 was broken into 10 and 8, so we could combine the 1s and 1s and the 10 with the 10s. We added 8 1s to the 2 1s. Then we could add our 10 and our 10. Mathematicians, you should have gotten 20. Now, mathematicians, are you ready for Kaylin Challenge?
Oh, we totally are ready for a Kaylin challenge.
Solve
We
this
totally
last
have
number sentence all on your own.
Okay.
Then we'll compare it to Kevin's work to see if you both got the same answer. 18 plus 20 is, remember, you should be asking yourself, should we add to the 1s or add to the 10s? Pause the video now and solve this last problem, my marvelous mathematician. When you're ready, press play and I'll be ready for you.
Okay, so let's look at it. I'm going to leave this one up so we can reference it if we need to. Our problem is 18 plus 20. So let's go ahead and draw it out. We have 18 like we did over here. So let's make a 10 and 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's my 8. Now, do I need to add 20? Do I need 10s or 1s? I'm going to do 10s, but how many 10s am I doing? We know the value 20 is the same as 2 10s. So let's add 2 more 10s. 1 10, 2 10s. So now we have
Mr. Frank,
3
excuse the drag, man.
10s. Sorry guys, I didn't realize I was up so loud. 3 10s and 8 1s. So we know that 18 plus 20 is 38. Now, we're not done because I want to break it apart. Okay, so I know that 18 is made up of 10 and 8. I'm going to add my 10s together. So I'm going to circle my 10s and say 10 plus 20 equals 30. Then I can say 30 plus 8 equals 38. You ready to check and see if we got our Kaylin challenge done correctly? I am. If you need more time, pause right now and then push play when you're ready.
Welcome back. Oh, that Kaylin challenge I'm sure was hard, but I know you did an awesome job because you tried. Are you ready? This is Kevin's
Whoa.
work.
Look at our
Did you
work.
do something similar to Kevin?
Oh, you know what I messed up though?
Decomposed 18
I need
so
to
we
fix
could
it.
get 10 and 8.
Should have been 30 plus 8.
A 10. Let's add that with the other 10s. Kevin added 10 plus 20 and he got
30.
30. And then we
I
can
had to
add
fix
the
mine.
rest of our ones.
Should be 30 plus 8 equals 38.
30 plus 8 equals.
38.
Did you get 38 too? If you did, hoorah! If you didn't, hoorah! Mistakes help us learn. Go ahead and fix your work if you need to.
I had to fix mine because I said 38 and it was supposed to be 30 plus 8.
We got 38 and I feel great. Oh,
She
that
rhymed.
rhymes. When we're adding, we can ask ourselves, should I add to the ones or to the 10s? I'm going to write down that question on an anchor chart so we can use it later. Put that question in your brain and
Should
repeat
we
after
add?
me. My brain is great.
My brain is great.
My brain will grow.
My brain will grow.
The harder I work,
The harder I work,
the more I'll know.
the more I'll know.
And that's so true. Come with me as I transition to your problem set. Today, mathematicians, your must-do problems are 1 through 7. You did such amazing work today. I can't wait to see you next time. Have a great day. Bye.
Bye, Miss Kaylin. All right, so now let's look. We have 1 through 7, okay? That didn't look, hold on, guys. Let's go back to our problem set for a second. Oh, went too far. Let's go all the way here,
Mathematicians.
and we're gonna pause. And why does my problem set look different than her problem set? Guys, we have a problem. Our problem sets are different. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Guys, I don't know what's going on here. Hold that thought. Okay, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm not sure what happened with our slides there, but it had the wrong problem set on it. Don't know what happened. So now we've got the right problem set set up. So let's look at this. Draw quick tens and ones to help you solve the addition problem. So let's look at number 1 and see what it wants us to do. It says 16 plus 3 equals something. Okay, now we have to draw the quick tens and ones to solve this. You need to be drawing the quick tens and ones on your paper too. Okay, you can use these tools over here. You can use a drawing tool, you can use a shape tool. Shape tool has a line. Drawing tool, you can look, you can make a line. You can make dots. Okay, you don't have to have it perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I want to see your quick tens and ones. Okay, so let's draw quick tens and ones. I'm gonna erase that because that's not right. All right, so let's look on my board. 16 plus 3. Let's draw our 16 first. I have 1 10, so I'm gonna draw 1 10. How many ones do I have? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many more am I gonna add? 3, but do I know if it's 3 10s or 3 1s? It's 3 1s, so I'm gonna add it right here. 1, 2, 3. I know that 6 plus 3 is 9, and I have 1 10, so 16 plus 3 is 19. Okay, pretty simple. That's number 1. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 says 18 plus 20. I'm pretty sure we've already done this one on video. I'm going to draw my quick 10s and 1s. I have 1 10, 8 1s. So I have 1 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, plus 20. Is that 20 as in 2 10s, or is that 20 as in 21s? I want 2 10s. It's going to be a lot easier than drawing out. Look, 1, 2. So much quicker than drawing out 21s. Now how many 10s do I have? I have 3 10s and how many 1s? 8 1s. So 18 plus 20 is 38. Okay. I want you to do 1 through 7 on your own. Guys, I just did 1 and 3 with you. Okay, you're doing 1 through 7. Do your exit ticket. Make sure you turn it into me. If you have any questions, please email me. Please message me. Do whatever you need to do. Okay, if no questions, make sure you do your work. 1 through 7. Exit ticket. Turn it into me. I'll see you guys on our next lesson. Bye, friend.